Assalamualaikum, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Okay, grade 3. Today we will do word problems relating to money. So, open up your books, page number 75. Build up. The first word problem I am going to read for you. You see there, Wahid bought a book for rupees 35.15. It means 35 rupees and 15 paisas. He gave a 50 rupee note to the bookseller. How much money would the bookseller return? Okay, grade 3. First of all, you have to read the statement properly and identify whether you have to add, subtract or multiply. So वो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? I already told you that when you read the statement, here is a given, Wahid is going to buy a book and price of a book is given and total money he paid to the बुक सेलर. सो ऑलवेज़ रिमेंबर, जो टोटल मनी होती है उसमें जो प्राइस होती है उसको माइनस या ऐड करते हैं. सो हाउ मच मनी वुड द बुक सेलर रिटर्न? हेयर इज़ द वर्ड रिटर्न इज़ यूज. ओके, इट मीन यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. हाउ वुड यू सब्ट्रैक्ट? You can see on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard now. वहीद गेव नोट. कितने का नोट दिया उसने? 50 रुपीज़. RS 50. I wrote the amount 50.00 because paisas are not mentioned. I will write the money properly. We write the money properly like 50.00 mean 50 rupees and no paisas. But we separate the paisas with the point. Cost of book. The total cost of book was 35 rupees and 15 paisas. Why I put the point? Because I already know that there is the other amount, that the cost of the book is given in paisas also. So for subtracting the number, it is very important to write the numbers properly. Okay, मनी रिटर्न बाय बुक सेलर. सो कितनी मनी रिटर्न करेगा? ओके, नाउ राइट हेयर प्रॉपरली इन बिगर. आई राइट इट अगेन हेयर so that you should look it very clearly. Guys, 50.00. Write the question, the top number and the cost of the book again I wrote here. So now what we have to do, we have to subtract to find out the. देखो, वहीद ने 50 रुपीज़ का नोट दिया, 35.15 की बुक परचेज़ की, तो हाउ मच द बुक सेलर विल रिटर्न हिम. तो बुक सेलर उसको रिटर्न मीन सब्ट्रैक्ट करके जो मनी होगी वो रिटर्न करेगा. दैट्स वाई वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस सम. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. हाउ वुड यू सब्ट्रैक्ट? ऑल ऑफ यू नो द सब्ट्रैक्शन विद बारो. So you can see in now here there is 2 zeros and under the digit is 15. So क्या करेंगे? We will go to the next column, second columns. In the second column of rupees column and we will borrow from here. So again here is 0. So what we will do? We will go to the last one column and we will take the borrow and we will make this 0 10. When it will become 10, again we will borrow from this 10 1 to make this 0 10. So इधर कितना बच जाएगा? When we will borrow 1 from this 10, 9 will be left. Again here is the same case. We will make here 10. Again we will take borrow to make the first one 0 10. So 9 will be left. So this is very important working. You guys all have to do. So now make it 10. ये 10 बन गया. 5 subtract करें out of 10. You will get 5. Now 1 out of 9 subtract करें, you will get 8. Point, put the point under the point. You have to write the digit under the digit. Okay, so put the point under the point. Now come to the this number. Here was 0. We we borrowed from 5 and we make 10 and again we borrowed from this 10 and 9 was left. क्या बच गया था हमारे पास? हमने इधर ज़ीरो था, इस ज़ीरो को 5 से बारो करके 10 बनाया. जब ये 10 बन गया तो अगेन वी फॉरवर्ड दिस जो 1 था वो अगेन हमने आगे को शिफ्ट कर दिया. सो इधर 9 बच गया बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक बोथ ऑफ दीज ज़ीरोज़. हमने यहाँ पे कैरी लेके आना था. किधर लेके आना था? इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस पे, यूनिट प्लेस पे कैरी हमने जो बारो था वो यहाँ पे करना था. सो दैट्स वाई हमने वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द 5 एंड शिफ्ट करते करते वी रीच हियर. So 5 out of 9 we will write 4. So when we borrowed from 5, 4 was left. We will subtract 3 out of 4. We will get 14. So you will write how much money bookseller will return? 14.85 rupees. Okay. So this is your answer. How money returned by bookseller. Money, you can write here return. Money returned by bookseller. How much money? 14.85 rupees. Okay, 14 rupees and 85 paisas. You can write RS as well. Okay, grade 3.